today we have the all-new Milwaukee PEX Uponor tool. This is the new version, and we're gonna go through, we're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna tell you the new features that this one has. So this is how it comes. You do have to order it from Home Depot online, and it is $600. Comes in a nice case. And we have the tools here. So we have the 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. These are the new rapid set seal heads. So it shows you right here on the side that they are the rapid seal, and that just allows you to expand your pipe much faster. And we have the expansion gun here. Now this expansion gun is the fuel version. The original one was just the regular Milwaukee brushless motor. This one is the fuel. This is the top of the line expansion gun that they came out with. And it pairs with your rapid set seal heads. So you just compare that together. They turn on real nice and easy. Comes with a battery charger. It also comes with an extra battery. So you got 2 batteries that come in the set. And then you can also get it comes with a pack of grease, and you can use that. You have to make sure you put that on your cone before you screw the head on. We got a nice charger. You can also put the bigger batteries in here. You can see the shape of that with the bigger batteries if you want to replace these with the bigger batteries, depending on how often you do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. This thing is amazing. I'm going to show you the on the back here, we got this basically gives you some details, and I'm going to read some of that to you. So compared to it's now 12 seconds for the expansion versus like 19 seconds, which is, I'm going to assume that's their old version. I never had the old version, but I needed this for a job, and I picked it up, and I wanted to get the best version, which is the new one. If you want to get the original version, it's at Home Depot for $500. This one is $600.